What's that sound? That's the sound of Downy Unstoppable scent beads going into your washing machine and giving your clothes freshness that lasts all day long. There it is again. It's like music to your ears, or more like music to your nose. That freshness is irresistible. Let's get a Downy Unstoppable bottle shake. And now a sniff solo. Nice. Get 6 times longer lasting freshness plus odor protection with Downy Unstoppables in-wash scent beads.
As CEO of Jack in the Box, I'm proud to announce the Double Bonus Jack Combo. With double the beef and double the cheese, you're going to feel like you're seeing double, or, eating double. Either way, not bad for $5.99. Limited time only. Price and participation may vary.
Prescriptions require an online consultation with a healthcare provider who will determine if appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for details and important safety information. Subscription required. Price varies based on product and subscription plan.
Hey guys, did you know there's a generic form of Viagra that works just the same, but is 95% cheaper? And you can get it online? Just go to hims.com/radio. Through Hims, you'll get a free medical consultation, discreet shipping if prescribed, a 100% online process, and trusted generic alternatives to the name brands at up to 95% off. That's right, get generic for Viagra, the same active ingredient as brand name Viagra, but for 95% less. It's the same medication, still prescribed by a licensed medical provider, but with zero copay, no expensive appointments, and no awkward face-to-face conversations. To start your free online visit, you need to go to this exclusive address, hims.com/radio. That's hims.com/radio for your free online visit. hims.com/radio.
I tried to quit smoking cigarettes probably hundreds of times over the years. 2 or 3 days into quitting again, I go get into a vehicle, and guess what? There's a pack of cigarettes in there. I've got the unlit cigarette in my hand. And I said to myself, why do I even try to quit if I'm in a cave so easily every time? Something clicked in my head that told me I can do this.
Every attempt is part of your story to quit for good. Visit Kick It California today at kickitca.org.
The free iHeartRadio app has over 100 commercial-free stations waiting for you to explore right now, like Pop Rewind, hit music from the 2000s through today. Pink, Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, Bruno Mars, Imagine Dragons, and more. Try something new for 2024. Just open the free iHeartRadio app, search Pop Rewind, and listen now. iHeartRadio. Free never sounded so good. Star 101.3 Bay Area traffic.
We have a crash in Walnut Creek, northbound 680 before North Main Street. You're backed up from 24. At the Dublin interchange, we have delays. Eastbound 580 slow from 680 all the way to Santa Rita Road. And then the Vallejo crash, eastbound 37 after 101.
This report is sponsored by It's Just Lunch. Dating life? Stuck in traffic? Get in the fast lane with It's Just Lunch. Call them at 415-989-9818 to learn more. Or visit itsjustlunchsanfrancisco.com today. It's Just Lunch. Connection awaits with guaranteed dates.
The Talkback Mic is on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, what up, Bay Area? It's just me. I don't know if you realize this or not, but you can record and send a message to any of the hosts here on Star. Just open up the free iHeartRadio app, stream Star, of course, and then look for the little red microphone right next to the play button. Press it, record your message, and hit send.
I listen to you guys every morning, all day, every day, for years now. Thanks, guys. Love all of you.
The Talkback Mic. Try it today on the free iHeartRadio app. It's another way to keep you connected with the Bay's Star 101.3.
wait for the car to turn, not U-turn first, dumbass.
Stay up on their rise,
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. It's Star 1013.
Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a bleach blonde tramp, and she's probably getting thirsty. Right now, he's probably buying her some fruity little drink, cause she can't shoot whiskey. Right now, he's probably up behind her with a blue stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. And he don't know. I take my keys through the side of his pretty little souped up four-wheel drive. Call my name into his leather seats. I took a Louisville slugger to both headlights. Last at home and out for tires. Maybe next time I'll think before he Right now, she's probably up singing from a white trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, he's probably dabbing on $3 worth of that bathroom cologne. Oh, and he don't know. Take my keys through the side of his pretty little souped up four-wheel drive. Call my name into his leather seats. I took a Louisville slugger to both headlights. Last to home and out for tires. Maybe next time I'll think before he I might have saved a little trouble for the next girl. I call the next time that he cheats. Oh, you know it won't be on me. No, not on me. I take my keys through the side of his pretty little souped up four-wheel drive. Call my name into his leather seats. I took a Louisville slugger to both headlights. Slashed a hole and out for tires. Maybe next time I'll think before he sees. Oh, maybe next time I'll think before he More music, more variety. Star 1013. Narrow to the heart. I never kissed a mouth that tastes like yours. Strawberries and something more. Ooh yeah, I want it all. Lipstick on my guitar. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the stars. Ooh yeah, I want it all.